Hello everyone. In today's Finance in 3 Minute series, I'll explain the concept of what is gold savings account. Should you save money via gold? Due to the pandemic, investors find gold as a safe haven and amongst the most favorable investment asset class to own to wave off the inflationary pressure on Indian savings. These gold imports have an effect on the country's current account deficit. In the quarter ended September 30th, 2021, the current account deficit stood at $9.6 billion, and gold imports more than doubled since 2020 to $38 billion in the fiscal year ending in December 2021. This shows that Indians crave safety when the economy goes into a jerk. And since importing is the only way Indians get their share of the gold, the importation of gold is waiting on rupee and making our fiscal deficit wider by the day. Why do Indians prefer gold investment? Gold has given an average annual return of over 10% since the early 70s, thus proving to be one of the best assets to own in one's retirement account. For it not only provides safety but also above average returns to the investors who prefer capital safety. In India, gold is more than just an investment vehicle, it is a sentiment. Gold holds significant influence on our cultures and traditions. Hence, each and every household, be it rich, middle class, or the poor, everyone will have at least a gram of gold with them. In fact, Indian households own over 11% of the world's gold. That is, more than the reserves of the USA, the IMF, Switzerland, and Germany put together. Check the link in the description to know more about gold investing. So, what's the solution for our gold cravings? Government cannot make its citizens not buy gold. Instead, they have come up with a new strategy. Thus comes the gold savings account. What is a gold savings account? With gold savings account, customers can open up gold accounts with the banks and deposit funds on a regular basis. Customers can withdraw the deposit at any time at the current gold price. This is projected to a lower investor demand for the physical gold. Just like normal savings account, under a gold savings account, Indians will be able to save money in gold and take part in the organized and formal gold trade. As an investment note, we also have the sovereign gold bonds. It is an investable instrument where you can buy gold bonds from a demat account and such platforms. SGB offers 2.5% interest per annum on deposits. Tax benefits have also been offered to investors preferring SGB. The capital gain tax has been eliminated on the redemption of sovereign gold bonds, and long-term capital gains arising from this transfer of a bond will be subject to indexation benefits. Give digital gold a thought. Avoid physical gold unless absolute necessary. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.